Matching family clothing. I don't know how you feel about them, but I absolutely adore them. And Hubby Doodle tolerates them because couples wear is kind of a thing here in Korea. And our kids are 5 and 3. So they enjoy it right now. But you see, I only have this small window of time because soon adolescence and those dreaded teenage years will hit. And they'll be embarrassed to wear anything with me, if not embarrassed by my very existence. I mean, do you not see how urgent it is that I get started on these clothes right away? I have no time to waste. I need to go get my yarn.
Size 5 needles, yarn, begin.
I developed a plan of action that would include me beginning on my very youngest child's sweater.
Stop it, you little booger!
I'm no psychologist, but I felt like if I completed the very easiest sweater first, then it could trick my brain into wanting to finish all of the other articles of clothing too.
Oh my goodness, I just discovered there's a different way to knit. No! Okay, thank you. Okay, so as I was saying, I have been knitting like this. I think this is called the English, I forgot already. But there's another way to knit, and it's called the continental, and theoretically this is supposed to be faster.
Hey you, give me my yarn please.
And with all these distractions, I need to knit as fast as humanly possible.
Mina, I need you to answer a question for me. Why do you always poke my sweaters? You don't have an answer, do you?
Yeah.
Instead of answering my question, Offspring decided she would use this opportunity to introduce herself to the YouTube masses.
Hi, I'm Mina.
Finally, just me and my knitting. I mean, oh, why hello. Allow me to introduce you to the little bit of personal space that I have in this house just for me. Oh wait, it's been taken over by my kids' stuff too. Yep, it's back to school season here in Korea, and that means I have to individually label every one of their school supplies. That includes every marker, every pencil, every eraser, everything. So I guess knitting will have to take a backseat for just a little bit. I mean, it'll only take about an hour. I mean, silly me, I'm over here getting so upset over an hour of my time being taken away. Just an hour, it's just an hour. It's not very long.
Oh, just put on a happy face and get to work.
That only took 40 minutes. Hee hee, not too bad. I know I said I would go back to knitting, but I kind of need to go make some dinner. I ended up cooking this.
Before I could go back to knitting, I had to smack a hot piece of metal across some clothes, feed Her Royal Highness, took the kids out for a short hike, discovered a mirror out in the middle of the woods, and did whatever this is before we headed home.
Done! You may be wondering how I got this done in the midst of all that chaos.
Time to get started on Mina's sweater.
Oh! The sweater turned itself into a dress. That kind of happens sometimes when I knit. It kind of just transforms as I keep knitting. Now, do I want to start on my husband's or my sweater? Let's be honest, I'll probably never make my husband a sweater. Don't get me wrong, I love him, but he's kind of a size XXL, and I feel like he would prefer a wife with fingers than without. You know, it would take me forever to knit him a sweater, and my fingers would probably fall off. So vest it is.
The steps for knitting a vest are essentially the same as knitting a sweater. Find another vest to guesstimate the size. Lay the sweater that you already made on top of the vest to guesstimate the stitches.
And voila! I've kind of been sarcastic about the length of time it takes to complete all of these, in case you can't tell. I'm kind of tricking my brain so I can keep going until I can get to work on my own cardigan. Oh, looky there, I'm working on my cardigan now. 4 projects for 1 video. What was I thinking? I was also thinking, I know, me thinking is kind of a dangerous thing, but I was thinking it would be really fun to wear these to the department store. In case you didn't know, the department store is where all the bougie people go in Korea. So I thought, what would be a better place to wear these bright canary yellow articles of clothing I made for the entire family? Nothing says high class quite like bright yellow hand-knit stuff. Gold is sometimes yellow, you know.
I was trying to edit this to make it seem like I knit my cardigan up in a jiff, but I just couldn't do it.
So it's time for us to go to the aquarium and I didn't quite finish, so I decided to wear this instead.
Random side note, my husband has become an extreme germaphobe as of late, and he has decided to wrap the entire car in plastic.
Hey, can you change your face to make it look like you actually like your vest?
I finally finished my cardigan, and per Mina's request, I also made Elsa a yellow dress. I wanted to take this time to show you some of the details of this cardigan, but,
아이스크림이다.
Oh! Don't break my phone.